Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Cart Testimonials widget, a great way to showcase customer reviews or feedback directly in the cart. This helps you build trust, gain insights, and enhance your shopper's checkout experience. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Cart Testimonials widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Go to Widget Group, select the cart drawer, then go to Cart Preferences and choose Cart Testimonials. To enable or disable the widget, go to Theme Settings, Professional Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Widget Group, Cart Drawer, Cart Preferences, Cart Testimonials. Here you can customize all settings. Review line limit. Control how many lines of text appear per review. Example, 3 lines. Enable autoplay. Toggle this on to automatically play the testimonial slider, or turn it off to let users control it manually. Autoplay speed. Set how fast the testimonials change. Example, every 4 seconds. Loop. Enable this option if you want the slider to continue from the last slide back to the first one automatically. Show dots. Turn this on to display navigation dots under the slider, or off to hide them. Top padding. Adjust space above block. Example, none, extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, custom. Custom top padding. Set exact top spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. Bottom padding. Adjust space below block. Example, none, extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, custom. Custom bottom padding. Set exact bottom spacing. Example, 0 pixels to max 100 pixels. You can add tabs. Click to Add Block and select Reviews. Inside each block you can customize. Author image. Upload a photo of the customer or reviewer. Author. Enter the name of the reviewer. Text. Add the testimonial or review content. Star rating. Choose the star rating given by the reviewer. Example, 5 stars. And that's it. Your Cart Testimonials widget is now ready to go. With this feature, you can easily collect valuable customer insights while adding social proof right inside your checkout, giving shoppers confidence to complete their purchase. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.